Yo, what's good, everybody? Today is Thursday, March 26th. And this is the trade we took today. Let's get into this recap. Today we took an L, took shorts. Initially wanted longs. Beautiful setup for longs in terms of, let me replay. Coming into market open, we had these lows sitting in this hourly gap. As you can see here, right, we had these lows sitting in this hourly gap. As y'all can remember, yesterday's trade was kind of similar. We had highs sitting in a 15-minute gap, and we got a sweep of that and an inverse to the other side, as well as the SMT. So today was really quite similar. But the thing is, for today, no real opportunity was given, in my opinion, right? So market ends up putting in these lows. We have an SMT with ES. We do have this. I don't think this is the highest time frame, no. Right. So I don't know. So as you can see, we are trading in this 15-minute gap as well. Right. Boom. 15-minute gap tap. And there was really no place of no clean IFEG setup that I like. I mean, maybe the highest one we really saw was the 3 minutes, but I don't know. Again, I didn't really love this. I wanted a clean IFEG to be given, but then it's like I can't do that. Take it like that when on the 5-minute time frame, technically this is a 5-minute gap as well, right? And it's like for Judas's, I really don't like. Technically, this was a Judas setup. But I'm not mad I didn't put risk on this trade. I'm not mad I faded. It wasn't really an intentional fade. It's just something I didn't really know how to get involved in. If I would have gotten involved with this, 6 to 8 point stops. Didn't love our draws too much for me to really pull the trigger on something. I guess targeting these equal highs or whatever. But I don't know. But again, maybe I do need to start understanding that we are so early into the session, and us having a move like this with bullish reaction, it just indicates a reversal at this point. And usually if it's early into the session, that's what we usually get, right? So maybe I should have just taken this and front ran it. And I was thinking about just throwing one micro in and seeing what I could get with that, see if I could just get a winning day, but ended up fading. Absolute explodes. Could have possibly been BE. I don't know, because of this huge volume spike. But anyways, at this point in time, we put in a bearish 4-hour gap, right? And I wanted to see. I thought coming today, I was a little bearish, as you can see again. I mean, we have been chopping, but I would lean bearish, right? As you can see, just lower highs, right? So I was waiting for this 4-hour gap tap, then continue lower, and that's what we got. We got a 4-hour gap tap. Then as you can see, this was the 4-hour gap tap, sweep of the highs, and inverse this fair value gap. Standard, I liked it enough. We had a huge displacing candle to the downside. I getting off of that. And as you can see, we get a little into profit, stopped out, market teases again, and we get instant displacement back down to the downside. Unfortunate loss. I just wanted to target these intermediate lows right here. Was not able to do that. Got stopped out by 6 points. Again, is what it is. Again, and I'm not gonna lie, trading has felt amazing in terms of how I'm doing it as of now. It wasn't a risk on trade. So let me show you a P&L for the day. Yeah, I'm trying to risk 250 per trade. That is not a Judas. So I ended up losing 226 on the day. Still have 1,700 drawdown left. Again, it wasn't really anything. Just trying to get winning days, still around break even. Just hope we can catch a Judas. Tomorrow's the end of the week. Is Judas's also have been appearing on Friday, so hopefully we can get one. And off the week, I just again the opening move just has to be so clean and obvious. This the 30 second, and I think this is what a lot of people took it off of. But again, on TradingView, I simply just don't have the 30 second time frame, and I'm not paying an extra 30 it might actually be 30. I'm not paying an extra $30 a month to see that. I'm not gonna lie, it's just to see the 30 second, and I'm not really comfortable taking it off of here. But what else do I have to say? Yeah, down $80 on the funded. Really, like, again, really just have working on being patient. Glad I would have taken yesterday's trade with size, would have been down or up. Taking today's trade with size would have been back to the same amount. You feel me? So I can't be too mad. I just gotta hope and pray that we do get Judases and get clean ones and obvious ones, that we can capitalize on and actually put full size on. So that's really all I got for today. A little quicker of a video. Yeah, I think that's all. Y'all have a blessed day, man. Buying you Vic out. We're finna be rich as shit. There's no doubt. Um, I can't wait, man. Y'all be good. Love y'all.